Oh, cheers, man. Thank you. Good evening. I really hope I don't get it off today. My last shift, so I'm squidding. Well, I'm not squidding for that reason. I'm squidding because it's fucking hot. Apologies for the wind noise. I'm gonna have to keep the visor up a bit. Woo! Got the circulation through my helmet. So, yeah, let's just go over you know the video where I cocked up a couple of days ago now? Basically, I had some lovely comments, especially relating to my video. Now, a lot of you might know I ride this road every day. The likelihood of someone coming that way around is very minimal, but yeah, can't really justify not being prepared, to be honest. It's a roundabout at the end of the day. You give way to your right, yes, but you get some. It's funny though, you get some really sarky ass comments on there, like in general, and it's just funny, it tickles me. Like, they're not the perfect riders, I guarantee that. No one's fucking perfect at all. 100%. Everyone cocks up and makes fucking mistakes. I bet my life on that. 100%. Everyone fucks up. So it's funny when they're like trying to slate people. So I guarantee they all make mistakes. 100%. Oh, that's nice. Still gotta practice me leans. Just don't have time. Oh my god, what's the degrees today like? It's killer. Absolutely killer. They're fucking electric bikes or what? Don't know why you're gaining on my ass. See this cyclist by here? Good indication, bro. So yeah, that's my little rant over with really. It's and people comment on videos just saying, oh, like, fair enough if you're like in the complete wrong, then just fucking come clean about it. There's no point fucking pussyfooting around just saying, oh, it was their fault, let's go in the speed limit. It's like they say in the test, like, if you don't ride defensively then you're pretty much fucked, innit? Thank you for spotting me. You can't see them. Most car drivers will be like, oh, I didn't see them. I didn't know they were there. Not my fault. Wah, wah, wah. But yeah, at least I know a majority of riders will admit when they make a mistake. I certainly admit when I make a mistake, and obviously sometimes, you know, on a clear head, you have poor judgment whatnot. Like for example, yesterday I didn't record it, but an idiot cut me up, didn't give way to their right on the roundabout. To me, they didn't give way to me, almost knocked me off the road. I was absolutely fucking gutted I didn't record it, and you'll probably see that in my other video, the fact that I was a bit pissed off. Hello. That's nice. I look like a CBR 1000. Yeah, I just don't get how people can justify that, you know, they're saints when they ride. Yeah, I've seen loads of idiots. I've seen idiots cut cars up. I've seen idiots filter too fast. I've seen quite a lot. I've seen people come off. So yeah, not long left now. It's my last shift, so like I said earlier, I'll have one more ride now. Fuck! Hot all man, and that'll be it. See, just had the feeling he needed to come over. You just get the sensation in your balls. Okay. That's another one done with today. See you in the next one. Bye, sexy people.